Welcome to AzureTeach.net. Traditional credentials like username, password, or client secrets are vulnerable to leaks, which can lead to unauthorized system access. To solve this, we assign a managed identity to the system so it can access Azure resources securely. No credentials are required. Let us understand managed identities with this common use case. We are going to establish connection between app service and Azure Key Vault using managed identities. Let us discuss about user assigned identity. Here I have a key vault and it has a secret named database connection. And here I have an app service. Here I have a web API project. It has a controller. And in this, I am creating a secret client with default Azure credential. That means it is going to take whichever the identity assigned to the app service. And we are going to fetch the secret from this key vault. And here I have a action. And here I am reading the secret named database connection. And if it fails to fetch the secret, and I am simply returning unable to fetch secret with the exception message. Please don't look for the coding standards here. This is not the scope for this demo. Now let us deploy this code to app service. Right clicking, publish Azure, and here I am choosing app service and I have selected my app service. Next, I don't need API management. Skip this step. Finish. It has created the publish profile. Now I'm clicking on publish. The code published. Here I am in Azure portal, going to managed identities, clicking on create, and I'm choosing a resource group, a name, region, review, and create. The identity is created. Now I am in my app service, going to identity, user assigned, add user assigned managed identity, and I am selecting the identity. Here I am in the key vault, access control, add role assignment, search for secrets officer, select key vault secrets officer, next select managed identity, select members, and here select user managed identity and select the identity, click on select, review and assign. The role assignment have been done. Now I am in the Swagger of my app service and I am trying to access. This will not work. The reason is we can assign multiple user assigned identities to a resource. So we can click on add and add more user defined identities. Whereas system defined identity can only be one and the user assigned identities will not be deleted if we delete the resource. But the system assigned identity will be deleted when the resource is deleted. So we have to go to the identity and copy the client ID and go to the code, and here we have to pass default Azure credential options and here we have to pass the client ID. Now I'm going to publish this code. Now I'm going to the Swagger and clicking on execute and see we got the 200 success response.